Yay! My baby's crawling. Yay, Isabella! You're crawling, baby, you're crawling! Yay! Yeah, good girl. That's awesome, Isa. You are so good. You want to keep crawling, huh? Oh, what's this foot thing, huh? What are you trying to do with that foot? Come on! Keep going, keep going! Keep it up! Can you clean the floor now, too? What's that? A little foot action. You got a little foot action in there, huh? Okay. Ta-da! That's pretty good, though.